my channel. So today we're doing my glow up routine. This is what happens when I want to feel confident without looking like I've done like clubbing makeup or like really extravagant makeup. I still look like me. I've just sort of enhanced what I feel like are my best features, and I've sort of hidden the things that make me not as confident as I could be. So I've used mostly affordable products today. There is a couple higher end ones in there, but that's okay. It's good to have a mix. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this sort of video, let me know down below. And if you have any recommendations on new products that I would like to purchase, just let me know in the comments below. Anyway guys, mwah! For primer, I'm going to use sort of two. I'm going to go in with this Fresh and Fit Awake primer. It's a healthy glow and pore minimizing effect by Essence. It's kind of new in Australia. And then I also want to add a pump of all over my skin of the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow liquid highlighter, just for that glowy effect as well. To use today is the L.A Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. Mine's a shade Fair. I find this is really good coverage, like it's not too heavy on me, but it's also not very matte, so I want to keep that dewy effect going. For concealer today, I'll be grabbing the newish, it's kind of new to me, it's the Born the Way multi-use sculpting concealer. So I'm with the Giant Doe Foot applicator, which I really have been liking. It's not as like mattifying as the Tarte Shape Tape, so that's why I really like it, because I can't use Shape Tape on my eyes, but I have just been doing this. So I've just been doing like a little line next to my eye, that way it like sculpts out my nose and hides my under eyes as well. So that's a really good technique if you don't want to do that whole like triangle thing under your eyes. I'm also using a cream bronzing stick. This is new from Essence. It's the Adventure Awaits Get Sunkissed bronzing stick. It's part of one of their new collections that just got released. And I really like this formula tone because it's super easy to blend out, but it's like a good tone. It's not too warm tone, not just for bronzing, so I also feel like it's a good in-between contour and bronzing shade. I've just done my brows off camera. It's just a lot easier. Brows are kind of hard to do on camera, so we're just going to set down the face now. I am looking quite dewy, which is what I was after, but dewy skin on me doesn't really tend to last the longest, so I'm going to be taking my Colourpop No Filter Translucent Setting Powder on my damp beauty blender and just setting, or slightly, like almost baking my under eyes. Just to really set it quite lightly, I'm grabbing the Colourpop No Filter Sheer Press Powder. This one is the shade Light, but it gives a very like light coverage. It's like perfect for this. To add some colour back in our face, I want to use the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. It's a cult classic and everyone knows why. If you tried it, you know why. Glow today, I'm going to be taking this Fenty Beauty Highlight in Hustle Baby. It's one of those, like, I got a mini one. This is still expensive, so I wanted to buy a little one just to see if I liked it. For my eyes, I want to keep it really simple and like light. So I'm just going to take this Colourpop I Think I Love You eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to use one shade out of it. It is this shade. This shade, which I think is Fancy Face. It's like a perfect like light bronzy shade. You can also like use a bronzer, of course. I'm just gonna grab this one. Plus it's a brand new palette, so I thought I might use it. And I'm just gonna chuck this in the crease so it's really blown out. Really, it's just for a little bit of extra. That's about it. For the rest of the eyes, because I want to keep it really simple, I'm just gonna take a brown eyeliner. This is the Kajal pencil in number 8 Teddy from Essence, which is really affordable. I'm pretty sure it's $2, and I'm just gonna smoke this along my upper lash line and maybe make a little wing. I'll see how I feel. Just to highlight my inner corner, I'm going back in with that Fenty highlighter, and I'm just gonna corners with it. Oh, it comes in the mirror, I didn't realise. Mascara, I already curled my lashes. I'm using the Essence Lash Paradise. This is the green one. I think they have a few different types now. And I'm just going to apply that. I'll be starting off with the Model's Own lip liner in the shade Naked. On top, I'm just going to take the Fenty Gloss Bomb in a Fenty Glow. It's the original one. This gloss smells like my childhood, but I don't know what from. And I absolutely love it. Just to be a little bit extra and a little bit more glowy, I'm taking the Shimmer Shot Highlighting Wand by Mecca Cosmetica, or Mecca Maxima. I think it's Mecca Maxima in soft gold. It's like a cool like click up, and like highlight comes out. And I just like putting this on my like décolletage. There you have it, guys. This is my glow up routine. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a very me makeup. This makes me feel really confident, really pretty and elegant, and that's what makeup is for me. It's a lot of fun. Anyway guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day, night, or wherever you are.